Indian Railways is among the world's largest rail networks, running 9,146 freight trains every day, carrying 3 million tons of freight from 7,349 stations in the country. India's railway network is recognized as one of the largest railway systems in the world under single management. With success of a pilot project of Railside Warehouse Complex (RWC) at Whitefield, Bengaluru, Central Warehousing Corporation (CWC) signed an MOU with Indian Railways on 20th December 2003 for developing 22 RWCs in the country. Central Railside Warehouse Company Limited (CRWC), a Mini Ratna Category 2 CPSE, was set up in 2007 as subsidiary company of Central Warehousing Corporation for development and operation of railside warehouse complexes (RWCs) in the country with focused team of professionals. After formation of CRWC, a tripartite MOU was signed amongst Indian Railways, Central Warehousing Corporation and Central Railside Warehousing Company Limited, transferring the rights of CWC to CRWC. As on date, CRWC is operating 20 railside warehouse complexes across the country, with a storage capacity of 3.54 lakh metric tons and handling rail-borne cargo of cement, fertilizer, sugar, salt, food grains and FMCG across the country. As per tripartite MOU signed, Railway leases the land to CRWC for 30 years and CRWC pays Railways lease rent and revenue share of 5% of its gross revenue. CRWC acts as a strategic partner of Railways by doing marketing and promoting rail-borne traffic through its railside warehouse complexes, RWCs. CRWC Railside Warehouse Complex, having full rake length of 650 to 700 meters, is having all the required facilities for efficient storage and cargo handling, like covered warehouse complex, paved circulating area, office complex for users and railways, mechanized handling by conveyor belts and sweeping by battery-operated machines, labor shed for the labor, medical room and first aid facility for the labor, washroom and toilets, drinking water facility, 24/7 operations. The handling of cargo in open at the railway siding makes the handling operation slow, with possibility of spillage, damages and shortages of cargo, besides causing air pollution, which can be prevented by setting up of more railside warehouse complexes in the country. At railside warehouse complexes, the rakes are unloaded directly into the warehouse in a shorter time, which helps railways in better utilization of their rolling stock, and it also facilitates the trade by ensuring safe and secured storage of their cargo. From RWC, goods can be dispatched by the traders directly to the required destination at their convenience. As secondary transportation and additional handling of goods for taking it to outside warehouse is reduced, the logistic cost is reduced. Operations of railside warehouse by CRWC helps in increasing the freight revenues by converting road-borne traffic to rail-borne traffic. By setting up of more warehousing complexes in the goods shed area, railways can monetize their idle assets and earn more freight revenues in addition to receiving non-freight revenues from CRWC in the form of 5% of the gross revenue. The possible encroachment of railway land is also prevented. CRWC has embarked on an ambitious growth plan and shall build the silos for bulk cement. The silos for bulk cement will bring paradigm shift in cement logistics, making it pollution-free, fast and economical. CRWC also plans to build silo for food grain storage for FCI. India, being an agrarian economy, requires scientific storage for its agri-produce. The silos on railway siding for food grains will facilitate this. CRWC has also planned to develop open stockyards for steel, open stockyard for bulk cargo, open stockyard for automobiles, warehouses for e-commerce. All this will boost the rail-based logistics and help in reducing the logistic cost of the economy. CRWC has approached railways to broaden its scope of MOU signed to allow CRWC setting up of silos for food grains and cement, open stockyards for steel, bulk cargo and automobiles, warehouse for e-commerce in the goods shed area. There is a plan to construct 50 new warehousing complexes with investment of 830 crore rupees in next 5 years, with own funds, debt financing and private captive investment. Allotment of separate siding code to RWC siding by railways as requested by CRWC will give confidence to the customers for handling of their rake by CRWC and promote ease of doing business.